Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Closures are an essential concept in programming that allows functions to remember and access variables from their outer, enclosing, scope even after that scope has finished executing. Python, like many other programming languages, supports closures. However, the capabilities and limitations of closures in Python may differ from those in other languages, referred to here as language X. In this tutorial, we will explore the limitations of closures in Python compared to language X using code examples. Before we begin, you should have a basic understanding of Python and some familiarity with closures in programming languages. If you're not already familiar with closures, it's recommended to read up on the topic before proceeding. In Python, closures are created when a nested function references a variable from its containing, outer, function. Here's a basic example to illustrate this concept. In this example, inner underscore function is a closure because it references the x variable from its containing function outer underscore function. When closure is called with an argument of 5, it remembers the value of x as 10 and adds 5 to it, resulting in 15. Now, let's explore the limitations of closures in Python compared to language X. In Python, closures can capture and reference variables from the outer scope, but these variables must be immutable, unchangeable. This means that if you attempt to modify a captured variable from within a closure, you will encounter an error. In language X, closures may have more flexibility with mutable variables, allowing you to modify them directly. In Python, closures can only capture variables from their immediate outer scope. If you want to capture variables from an outer scope further up the chain, you may need to pass them explicitly as arguments to the closure or use other techniques like classes and instance variables. Language X might provide more flexible options for capturing variables from different scopes. In Python, closures cannot modify variables from the outer scope unless they are explicitly marked as non-local. This can be a limitation in some cases where you want to modify variables from an enclosing scope. Language X may have different rules or allow direct modification of outer variables without the non-local keyword. Closures in Python are powerful and versatile but come with certain limitations compared to closures in language X. Understanding these limitations is crucial when working with closures in Python, as they may affect your programming approach. Always consider the specific behavior and rules of closures in the language you are working with to make the most effective use of this concept. ChatGPT.